This Sunny. This is the part 7 of our series SQL for Improvement. In the previous parts, we have discussed about joins, Windows function, SQL, future build function. We have discussed various top interview problems on SQL. Okay, this part 7 SQL for interview, we will be discussing about the case expression in SQL. Along with I will be discussing the group by having clause. Okay, already we already used these clause and functions in the previous problems, but let me tell you in the detail in this video. And we will be solving a beautiful SQL interview problem in this video, which is available on Leetcode also. Okay, so be stay with us in the last. And if you have any doubt, any question, please let me know in the comment box. Okay.
If you like this video, please make sure and consider subscribing our channel for more content like this. And please share with your friends and subscribe. I am requesting you. Like it give a motivation for creating such content and putting our time and efforts for making this amazing content. So let's start this video. So guys, the case expression or case statement, like you might aware about the if statement, okay, in SQL, it is similar like this, okay, but इसमें we can add the more conditions. Like if statement, we can only add one condition only, okay. Let's discuss the case expression goes to the condition and return a value if the first condition is met, okay. Otherwise, no condition are true, then it return the else clause. Okay, whatever the value in the else part, it will give that. Okay, if no else, then no condition are true, then return null. अगर हमने else provide नहीं कराया तो it will going to return null. Let's see the expression first. So this is the general syntax for the case. Okay, we are writing case when and condition we are writing here. Then we are case when condition one, then result one, else and okay. So you can see this is the basic general syntax for the case statements. Okay, and this is the example like select, these are the column name, consider ID, customer ID, amount, like case when amount. The condition is here amount is greater than this, then this one, else okay, else inexpensive. So we have kept n number of condition we can kept here, okay, if we are using case statement. Like if we are using if only, then if statement, then हम वहाँ पे एक ही condition रख सकते हैं, okay. This is the benefit of using case when we want to fetch the data on different conditions, okay. Another syntax of the case expression, like when value, in this what we are doing, what the changes is here, like we are adding the expression here itself, then now we are giving only value after the when, like you can see the changes help of the example, help of this example. Select customer ID cash amount we have kept here. Now we are just putting the value of the condition. When 500, then prime customer. When 100, then plus, else regular customer. Okay, and each customer status. It will going to add the new feature in our output table. Now group by having and where clause you might aware. Let's discuss. Group by statement group rows that have the same value into the summary row. Okay, it often used with aggregate function count, max, min, sum, average. I have already discussed in the previous parts about the aggregate functions. Okay, and this is the basic syntax for the group by statement. Like it is grouping on the similar value, same value. Okay, now having clause is used to apply as a filter on the group by. जो भी like group by से लगाने पे जा रहा है उस पे फिल्टर लगाने का काम करता है. Very frequent question or very important question in interview, like what is the difference between having and where clause. It seems like both are working similarly only, and why we are using having and where to do two different things in our SQL. So this is the very important question for interview point of view. Like having we can use only with the group by statement, but where we use without the group by and with the group by also. Where like where यूज कर रहे तो हम ग्रुप बाय भी यूज कर सकते हैं, ओके. So where clause place condition on the selected column, whereas having clause used to apply on filter on the result of group by, okay. So guys, today we will be solving this problem, monthly transaction. The problem number on lead code is 1193, okay. So we will see what things we can use in this problem we have discussed in our video: case statements, group by clause, where, having. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So let's understand the problem first. What we have to find. Okay. So these are the there is a transaction call table. The columns are ID, country, state, amount, and transaction date. Okay, they have given. So now they want write a SQL query to find the each month, country, and the number of transaction and their total amount, and the total number of approved transaction and their total amount. Okay. तो टेस्ट इज हियर लाइक पहले हमें सारे ट्रांजेक्शन के नंबर कितने ट्रांजेक्शन हुए वो उनका अमाउंट क्या है इसमें हमें बॉदर नहीं करना है लाइक वो अप्रूव हुआ या डिक्लाइन हुआ ओके नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ अप्रूव ट्रांजेक्शन एंड देयर टोटल अमाउंट so let's see how we can solve this problem. So firstly we have to find month and country. Okay, as you can see that this is the month. They have only given as output like year and month. Okay, so let's see, and in the input table they have mentioned the date also. Okay, so let's write a query. Select. So for formatting the date we have to use there is a date format function in SQL. Okay, there are lots of function like जैसे जैसे आप क्वेरी करोगे जितने ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे वैसे तुम familiar होते जाओगे. Okay, so there is a function date format, so we can format the date. Okay, so for transaction date, this way we can format the date in our desired output. Okay, only year and month. Page month we can give the alias. Now we want country. Next, what we need? Transaction count. So total transaction count we need. Okay, just simply we have to count the transaction dates. Is transaction is trans count, not transaction. Okay, now we need the approve count and okay, and the transaction total amount also. And the approved total amount also we need. Now how we can solve this? We need case. We are making the case statement. So just let me write case when it equal to approved. Okay, so it will give the approve count and the like approve amount. Okay, when one else zero and इसको हम sum करेंगे so it will give the approved count. Okay, now we want transaction total amount. So just we need to sum the total amount, then after that we want the approved total amount. Okay, so for the total amount just sum the whole amount Okay, age, transaction total amount. After that, we need approve total amount. Just another case statement. Just we will be doing some case when I'm just copy pasting from here. थोड़ा सा change करना होगा. We'll do. Case when state is approved, then one की जगह हम कर देंगे amount. Okay, now we want amount, not count. Okay, else 0 and age approved total amount. Now in the question they have mentioned for each month and country. So let's use the group by. So it will make a group. Group by month, country. Let's see it will work on it. It is giving the runtime error. On column translate. Okay. Oh shit, we have forget to write from which table? From transaction table. Now it should work. Yeah, it is working. So like we just use the case statements and after that we have done the sum with the sum. Okay, let's submit. Thanks. So if you like this solution, please make sure you are sharing with your friends and subscribing our channel. Stay tuned for the next part.